Okay, I'm back with another tutorial. This is how you make different style things. Let me just do one. Okay, what? That. No. Making different like styles, like a rock beat, rock drums, like this. Right? I wanted to do this because, no, just for purposes or whatever. Wait, do you have a guitar? I should have a guitar in here, actually. Goodness, this one at me. No, that one would be way better for this demonstration. Actually, we do like. God, I'm gonna have to do my own guitar for this one. Okay. Right? It's a gig. Wait. It should be in basses, shouldn't it? No, it shouldn't. Okay. Oh, down here you can. Here's another one. Guitar. Drum synth. Let's see what's in drum synth for guitar. No. Nothing. That's perfect for this demonstration. Yeah, down here you can actually do guitar. Or say let's do. If I'm not sure what has what. Yeah. Yeah. I'm like, okay, let's see if what if I have a tuba note out. Alright. Actually, you know what? Let me do another one so I can just do the guitar. Okay. Let's just do this, okay? Making a kind of a rockish type thing. And you see, you can make different style things, right? Now, this is just, I'm actually working on the beat for this thing I'm writing. So yeah. Right, let's say I want to add, this video, no? Let's add this just because. Okay. Okay. Then we add Jaboosh. And then we add here. Right here, like right here. Let's see. Here. Now, I might actually change this to something else, right? I should save as. I'm not doing it as that. I'm doing it as rock Latin. Okay, I can't do that. Okay. Rock Latin. Unless I just like this. And then you can just do whatever. It was sound right to me. Okay, now let's put this together. This is just an example. I'm not doing anything with this, so. I think this is a good enough, like a rock Latin type beat. So, hope y'all enjoyed this tutorial, and, you know, say like I'm like, okay, I'm gonna do, so you're not sure if there's 808. Let's do 808, right, drum synth. Oh, yes. Oh, this would be really nice to have too. So, let me just... But anyway, hope y'all like the tutorial. Yeah. God bless. Have a good rest of your night. Peace.